Everyone, I hope you are all well. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you some formulas. I'm going to show you how to use these formulas, and these formulas are so useful and helpful. I'm going to talk about summation, subtraction, multiplication, division, percentage, average, count, maximum, minimum, and transpose. So let's get started. First of all, I'm going to show you the summation formula. This is very simple, and this is a very basic formula. If anyone want to see the sum of these numbers, then he or she can use this formula, just like this. Again, if anyone want to see the sum of unit 1, then you can use this formula in here. Select the first number, drag this one to last one, and bracket close. Just enter. There is no need to type this formula for the cell again. You can just drag this one and you will get the sum for all of these columns. If you want to do the same thing, just do it. There is a shortcut for this formula. I'm going to show you. Just click alter and equal at the same time, and you will get the sum here. Again, you can do it here. Alter and equal button at the same time. You can see this is very simple. Just drag and get the same formula for every cells. You can do it more faster. Just select the rows and columns. There is an option which is known as AutoSum, and you will find it here. Just click sum and you will get the result. This is more easier and simple. I'm going to show you again. If you want to do it column by column, you can also do it. Just select the numbers and click here. Again, just select the numbers. If you want to go inside this icon, just click on sum and you will get the result. Okay? Just select the numbers and click on AutoSum. You will get the result. If you select all columns and rows at the same time and click on AutoSum, then you will get the result in column wise. You have to select the full table. Then you will get the result column wise and row wise at the same time. So, as you can see, there are so many ways to calculate the sum of some numbers. First of all, you can use the sum formula. I'm going to show you again. You can use the AutoSum icon, and there is another shortcut technique. You can just press alter and equal at the same time and you will get the result.